Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm MELICASKYLIFE. If you don't know, your girl representing for the team, and today I will be doing the what is on your phone challenge, or tag, or whatever it is they call it. Like, I'm going to be showing you what is on my phone. So on this page you have my Play Store. This is what comes with the phone. You don't know the stuff from there, so that come with the phone. I have my email. I have my Bible. My Bible is a must, because through God all things are possible, and I think it's a very cool thing to have on your phone, your Bible. I have my Yahoo. I have my games. My number one game of all times is Candy Crush. I know that it's a bit outdated, but this is what I love to play. It jogs your memory. It helps you to think for me. So, yes, I have Candy Crush. Let me show you which level I'm at. Playing now. I'm at 577 from the time. I shouldn't reach more. But that's my favorite game of all times. I play this whenever I'm like in the taxi or not doing anything or anything, and little thing me do that. I have Airbnb. Now, Airbnb is an app that you use anywhere you are in the world, and you need to like book a place, like a room, not a hotel, like a room or a villa or something at a ridiculously low rate. You can download this app for that. So you just put in where you're from, how many guests, and you have some other filters that you can use to tell what you want, if you want pool, Wi-Fi, or whatever. It's a very cool app to have on your phone. So I have that. I have the great WhatsApp. You don't know. Yes, I have my gallery. I have Snapchat. If you're not following me on Snapchat, go and do that now. It's MELICASKYLIFE. I have Snapchat. This is my app for my school. This is my school portal app. What else do I have that I downloaded? I have IMO. IMO is a calling service that you can use to video chat. I have my diary. From time to time I write in my diary. Sometimes you want to talk about some things to yourself. You're not necessarily wanting to talk to anybody. I write it down in my diary. Some mistake, I have bit emoji. So this is my emoji. Like, I normally use these emojis like on my Snapchat, or if I'm sending any messages, I normally use these. I created it myself. You can download it. It's in the Play Store, where you can have a custom made avatar of you. So I made this avatar of myself. So yeah, my love use that. I have my flashlight. A flashlight comes on the phone, but I like this flashlight because it's very, very bright, so I normally use it. What else? All right, so I have an MP3 converter. So normally what I do is download stuff straight off YouTube, right? But then YouTube, when you download off YouTube, you get an MP4 file. That means video. Normally want the audio part of the file, so I use this converter to convert it to MP3. So this is a very cool tool to download. You can get it I think you can get it from the Play Store. If not, you can just go on Google and get it straight from there. I also use the Facebook video downloader. Now, normally you go up on Facebook and some hot video up on Facebook. You want to capture that before Facebook actually takes it down. And this is the browser that I use to take those little things down when I want to share with somebody. So I know so they go take off it. So I just use this to take it down. Right? So I would log into Facebook from this app here, and then download whatever it is that I want to download, right? I have my live. This is my bank account, one of my bank accounts. I have Fiverr. Now, Fiverr.com is a working platform that you use to work for other people right across the world. I normally use this platform, and this is the platform that I keep telling you about, that I'm going to show you how you can actually start using your talents to actually make some money online. It's called Fiverr.com. If you're not subscribed to my business channel, please go over and do that, because I will be putting up some useful information over there that helped me, and hopefully it can help you too with Fiverr.com. So I have this picture editing thing. So if I want to like upload a picture to like Instagram and the size is not set properly, I use this to resize or set a collage, or if I want to put up one picture, this may really use, right? I have SoundCloud. I listen all, well, from time to time I listen music off SoundCloud, not all the time, but if I want to find a song, I go to SoundCloud and listen it from there if I don't want to download it on my phone. I normally, all right, Udemy now. Udemy is an app. Like any single thing you want to learn on the internet, there is a course for it, right? And Udemy is the platform that you use to go and take those courses. You can get courses for $5, $10, go up to $500, $1,000. Very professional place to get courses if you want to learn something that you don't know already. Let me actually go into the phone now and see if I missed out anything. Alright, so I have Vimeo in my phone. Vimeo you can use to create little videos also. I don't normally use Vimeo like to that because I just normally edit from a computer. But I have Vimeo on my phone. It's a cool app to have as well. Okay, so I have another game. This is my backup game. I use Temperon. Why I like Temperon? Because you can't run out of life. Like you can play and play and play and play till you drop asleep, wake up. With Candy Crush is my number one. So when my 5 lives them run out and whatever me I do on my board, I just play Temperon, right? Temperon. And this is my second game, my backup game. Exit. Right. So what I'm also on Instagram, guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's Melicaallen for my Instagram name. You can follow me on Instagram. Okay, this I want to show you an app that I have on my phone. It's called TubeMate. TubeMate is a software you can get online. Like it used to be in the Play Store, but it is not in the Play Store anymore. You have to go to Google Chrome to actually download it. Any song that I see on YouTube that I want, I can download it. And this is what I download. I download the video, then I use my converter to convert it. So you can get this app. It's called TubeMate. It's a very useful app. Very highly recommended that you take this one. All right, now, so this is the recorder. This is what I'm actually used to record my phone screen right now. It's called the REC. You can get this straight from your Play Store, and you can use to record your phone screen. If you're ever on YouTube and you're wondering how come they get for recording phone screen, this is one of the apps that they actually use. It's very useful. So you can get this to record your screen the next time you want to record something, right? So I don't know, I have the great Facebook. This is my personal page, but what you can do is go over to my fan page. That is MELICASKYLIFE. Here it is, MELICASKYLIFE. Go over to my fan page and click like on this, because what I want to work towards is start going live from here. Any little thing you know, I can go live from, yeah, so on. So head over to my fan page and like this page, right? So I have Facebook. What else I want to point out to you that I put on this phone? Okay, my weird calculator come with the phone, yes, but I'm a scientific calculator. More when I'm there at school, I'm gonna forget my calculator, I can pop this out and do it, but not in exams, like in a class or whatever. So I normally have my scientific calculator on my phone. I'm also on Twitter, guys. I don't use Twitter as much, but you can definitely head over there and follow me on Twitter as well. It's Melicaallen for Twitter. You can go ahead and follow me over there. Now this app I want to show you, it's called AppLock. Now AppLock is an app that you can use to close other apps on your phone. Right now, if you notice on my screen, it's asking me for a password. So for instance, I want to lock my messages with AppLock. if I click on messages, it's going to ask me for a password. And this is the app that I use to lock other apps on my phone. And I also use this for my vault. So if I have any private pictures or videos or anything that I want to keep to myself, there is a vault inside this app that I use, right? So that is a very, very cool tool to have as well. So let me just demonstrate to you how the app lock works. So I close my JN Live. I have to put in a password to actually get to my account, and this is a courtesy of app lock. So it's a very cool tool to get. So that's basically the apps that I actually download on my phone, and I have a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, and yeah, these are the apps that I basically use. They're not a lot, but this is what I have. So guys, thanks for watching so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscription button, and leave a comment below of another video you want me to do, and I'll be sure to do it, guys. I thank you. See you on the next video.